Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2023 Chevrolet Equinox RS. This RS is featured in a red paint finish and has a jet black leather interior. Under the hood is our 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission as well as all-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle is 5 total passenger seating. We have a power driver seat with heated seats in the front of the vehicle, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a surround view camera, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, a powered dual pane sunroof, as well as much more. Outside the vehicle, we have our black alloy wheels, black badging, as well as our powered liftgate. Now, starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and our rear window lock. Powered liftgate functions with our max 3/4 and off in the bottom of the door, with some storage and our Bose speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls. Audio controls are on the back of the steering wheel on either side. Power driver seat with power adjustable lumbar, finished in our jet black with red accents throughout. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. Have a digital information system that adjusts our audio, navigation, as well as phone connection. Also have a digital speedometer as well as our fuel range. Down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise with forward collision alert in the middle. Then we have heated steering wheel as well as our lane keep assist. Right-hand side, we have voice recognition, hands-free, and the controls for that driver information system. More audio controls, these ones control the volume. Then we have a push-to-start ignition, infotainment system in the middle. If we go into audio and more, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth, phone connection, our GPS navigation, a 4G Lte Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, all on the first page. If we go into it, we can see it's wireless as well for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Second page, we have apps, our camera for our full surround view camera with front and rear adaptive guidelines, Sirius XM, OnStar, and My Chevrolet complete our infotainment. Below it, we have home, seek, our volume and mute, as well as back. Link, our auto stop start, as well as hazard lights are below that. Dual zone front climate, individual on either side with front and rear defrost. Also have AC and sync. Heated driver seat and passenger seat on either side. Across the bottom, SD slot, USB-C, USB, aux, and 12-volt plug with some storage. All-wheel drive shift is in front of our shifter, and our park assist is on the right. Leather finish shifter in the center with an electronic parking brake, 2 cup holders and storage, and a bit of storage before our center console. Looking at our key fob, we have a lock and unlock button, remote start, our powered liftgate, as well as our alarm system. Opening into the leather finish center console, coin tray that's removable, then some deep storage with 2 USBs. Passenger seat also finish in our jet black with red accents leather. Have manual functions for the seat as well as heated option. Moving above the rearview mirror, we have all of our OnStar settings, dome lights with dome lighting controls, powered sunroof as well as powered sunshade, our sunglass holder in the top. And lastly, we have our dual pane sunroof ranging from the front to the back of the vehicle. Now walking down the side and front of our vehicle. On the front, we have our black bow tie and RS badging, black slotted grille with chrome accents, LED headlamps and fog lamps. Moving to the front tire and rim, we have our black alloy wheel with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors with an integrated turn signal and black accents. Keyless entry door handles in both the front and back, also paint match. Roof rail across the top of the vehicle. All the way around to the back, black badging with our Chevrolet Equinox all-wheel drive, RS in red, and a hidden trailer tow hitch in the bottom. Opening up the back of the vehicle, we have our powered liftgate. You just simply press underneath and we can open the vehicle. Back of the vehicle, we can see our floor mat still in bag. Have a 60/40 folding seat that we can fold directly from the back. 60 as well as 40 part, all marked. 12-volt plug. Storage on either side, as well as some storage underneath with a full-size 5th tire. Lastly, to close the vehicle, we have both manual and power releases on the right-hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as storage and our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pocket in the back of the driver and passenger seat. 2 front vents, as well as 2 USBs for charging, and a 120 volt plug in the bottom. Second row seats match the front seats, finished in our jet black leather. We have a 60/40 folding split as well. In the center of our 3 seats, 2 foldable cup holders, all-weather liners in the cup holders as well. To fold these seats, we have our release on the side, folds flat with the trunk, or we also have our release in the back of the vehicle. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox RS. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.